Hello friends, I'm back with my Samsung Galaxy S7 which I have been using for the past 10 years and also with my real voice. In my first video, I used an AI voiceover because my English is not that good, but one of the buddies in the comment suggested try using your real voice, and honestly that comment motivated me. So I thought why not give it a try. Please forgive me if I say something wrong or mispronounce a few words. I'm still learning and I hope I will improve with every video. So coming to the main topic, a couple of days ago my Samsung Galaxy S7 suddenly turned off by itself. I tried to reboot it but it just kept getting stuck on the Samsung logo and refused to boot up. In the end I had no choice but to format the entire device. After that, yes, the phone started running smoothly again, but at what cost? All my data was gone. At that moment I started thinking about what mistake I had made. Honestly, I couldn't remember doing anything unusual, but then it suddenly clicked. A few days before the issue happened, I was trying to install the Facebook app. I don't even use Facebook regularly. It was just curiosity. I wanted to see how it would run on a 10-year-old phone. I tried downloading an older Facebook APK from third-party website. I don't remember exactly which version it was, maybe 1 or 2 years old. After installing it, my phone started lagging badly. At first, I thought it was normal because, let's be honest, today's Facebook app is pretty heavy for a device like the Galaxy S7. But looking back now, I think that might have been the reason why my phone eventually got stuck in the boot loop. Thankfully, I can recover some important files from Samsung Cloud, but many things are gone forever. And that brings me to the big question. Is it finally time to retire this device? To be honest, I'm still confused. This phone has been with me for almost a decade. It survived software updates, daily uses, and countless memories. But deep down, I know that sooner or later, I will need a new device. The next question is, should I buy a budget phone or go for a flagship again? The funny thing is that even today's budget phones are far more powerful than this 10-year-old Galaxy S7. Of course, they may not always have the same premium feel, but in terms of performance, come a long way. And when it comes to flagships, I'm honestly confused. I have never used an iPhone before. Apple devices look great, but they are also very expensive and definitely not within my current budget. I am planning to buy an iPad sometimes in the future, probably a budget model, but when it comes to my next smartphone, I think I should stick with Android because that is what I have been using all my life. Right now, I am considering an iQOO device. My brother has been using the iQOO Neo 7 for the past 3 years and his experience has been pretty good so far. That is why I have been looking at the iQOO Neo 10R. It is about a year old now and the price is something I can comfortably afford. The specifications also look quite impressive. The iQOO Neo 10R comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display and a smooth 144Hz refresh rate. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 processor, which should easily handle multitasking and even heavy gaming. The phone packs a huge 6400 mAh battery, 80-watt fast charging, so battery life shouldn't be a problem. For cameras, it offers a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 32-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. On top of that, it has 5G connectivity, stereo speakers, and in-display fingerprint sensor, and Android 15 with Fun Touch OS. Overall, it seems like a very well-rounded device for both performance and everyday use. I'm not sure exactly when I will buy it, but probably within the next 1 or 2 weeks. Although if I find a really good deal on a used flagship phone, I might consider that as well. Then again, maybe buying a brand new sealed device would be better choice if I want to use it for many years, just like I did with my Galaxy S7. So what do you think? Should I go for a used flagship or a brand new mid-range phone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.